very good afternoon to all. Myself Vikas Chandra, and today I am going to explain you about some of our products which help you in sealing the thread. So, for before going that, let me speak about what is Henkel, who is Henkel, and what we do in India. So today's agenda is who is Henkel, what is general manufacturing and maintenance, Loctite 55, a product which is the ultimate solution to the threaded joints. Then our next product is Loctite 577 and Loctite 290 and Loctite other solution to oil and gas industry. So first of all, who is Henkel? So basically, we are a 148 years old country with 124 countries presence, and we are employing around 2,000 people, and we have a sales of around 21.5 billion euro. Talking about where we play, so basically we have three segments. One is general maintenance, second one is VRM, and other one is MRO. These three areas are the where we play in India or in abroad. Next, this is basically region-wise difference. So we have around sales engineer of say 700 plus. Industries what we covered is around 800 plus. And distribution partner, we have a big distributor network of more than 10,000. And the customers service of around more than 400,000. Now this is our pan-India presence. We are not only into the adhesive, we are also into the beauty care. We have 5 different professional academies pan-India. We have 4 regional offices. Then we have the, one can say, India's biggest fully automated plant in Kurkum, which happens to be world's third largest plant. Now talking about Loctite 55, before going to Loctite 55, let me ensure you 2 things about Loctite 55. One is peace of mind, and second is a 30% sales cost efficiency in comparison to the conventional method what we have. So basically, before going into the detail of the product, let me explain to you why do a pipe leaks. So basically, a pipe leaks because of the gap between the threads, because of the vibrational loss, because of the poor sealant being used, over tightening. So these are some of the reasons of which a pipe do leaks. But a leak always comes with a cost. On a rough calculation, if 1 drop of, let's say, any liquid comes out per second, so per day 0.4 liter of that liquid is wasted. So per month 13 liter is being wasted. So you can calculate how much a simple leakage can impact on the cost and the productivity. So we are introducing you with a very unique product, Loctite 55 with a 12-meter pack, which is very convenient, easy to use, and it can be used from ½ inches to 4 inches size of a pipe. It can be adjusted up to 45 degrees, and it is clog-free with a very cost-effective option. You may, just for example, a 12-meter Loctite 55 can bring you 24 ½ inches joints. You can easily compare the price, cost effectiveness of Loctite 55 with any available conventional method. These are basically benefits of using Loctite 55 as a thread sealing: increase reliability, increase on saves on cost, already explained, allows readjustment, which already I have said, and it is very easy to use. And these are the global approval what Loctite 55 has, like DVGW, SVGW, DG, Swiss gas approval. So these are all the approvals what we have for Loctite 55. Apart from Loctite 55, there are certain other products which also helps us as a PNG or for a PNG or CGD customers. So first going for Loctite 577 with the and activator. Normally what I have seen in big metros when we have high-rise buildings, CGD normally goes for a welding. But welding includes high cost. Plus they are not safe. Plus oxidation and vibration with the lapse of time causes leakages. With Loctite 577 has a thixotropic property because of which it has a fast curing and it fills the gap of the thread, resulting in it is easy to apply, it doesn't allow rusting too easy, it provides easy immediate sealing and provides a pressure of around, it can withstand a pressure of around 10,000 psi. So this is the uniqueness of Loctite 577 and it cannot be dismantled easily. Second is challenge what CGD is facing again in the metros where we have high-rise buildings are that this welded joints start leaking with passage of time, and it is very difficult to repair that joint at such a height, 7th floor or 8th floor or 9th floor. So we have a unique product called Loctite 290 which has the vacuum property. So this vacuum property which enables this product to penetrate deep inside the pores or the cracks, and since it is anaerobic, so it cures in absence of air and in presence of metal, and then we apply a fine layer of metal magic stick which further safeguards the product for further leakage. Lastly, for any pipe where there is this pipe is online or it is live and there is a leakage, we have a live repair kit especially designed for natural gas piping, where when a live gas is going on, we can use with the help of the tape and with the help of the putty, we can repair the live kit. And these are some of our customers pan-India, like Akshay Patra, the world's biggest kitchen. This is working on, again, Loctite 55. We have MGL as our customer, Calcutta Jet Board, Delhi Jet Board. We have used our product with IGL contractors, then CUGL contractors. And lastly, we have some other solution for oil and gas industries from Henkel. Like Henkel presence in oil and gas, it is present in upstream, midstream, downstream. And upstream we have platforms, mud pumps, vacuum pumps. In midstream we have vessels, shaped pipelines, tanks. And in downstream we have turbine, pumps, motor engine, tankage. So we have in fact complete presence in the oil and gas sector. And lastly, to strengthen the pipe, we have again a product called PC7255 EA3478, which not only strengthens the pipe, but it increases the life of the pipe, and it is CO2 footprint reduction and service life up to 20 years. And this is the last slide. Okay, this what solution we normally provide for the UV resistant coating. And the challenges, what is currently challenges is stemming from harsh environment. The solution is we have 100% solid formulation and dense matrix, and benefit is excellent adhesion on rusted part. Melting is ISO 12944C5. So good flexibility, hydrophobic. These are the basically benefit of our product, which protects the pipe from UV, this our resistant coating. This is the end of my presentation. Any question?